Hello everyone, and welcome to the FlowZone instructional series. In this video, we will be replacing a spray gun seal. Let's get started.
For this video, you will need an adjustable wrench and a Phillips head screwdriver. First, use the screwdriver to remove the screws holding the spray gun housing together. Make sure not to lose any of the screws. Lift the cover off the spray gun to reveal the internal components. Take the internal assembly out of the housing and use the wrench to loosen the seal nut. Once it is loose, you can use your fingers to remove it from the trigger assembly. The replacement seal package will have to be assembled. Take the spring and slide it over the small end of the sealing component. Then place the other end of the spring inside the seal nut. Once the seal package has been assembled, place it into the trigger assembly. Screw the seal nut into place using your fingers, then use the wrench to fully tighten the seal nut. Place the cover over the body of the spray gun and secure it back in place with the screwdriver and screws.
Thanks for watching. If you're still experiencing issues with your sprayer, please reach out to our live support team. We are available Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. Eastern. You can contact us through live chat on our website, fcspray.com. Call us at 803-339-2500 or email us at support@wessel.com. Don't forget to subscribe and check out our channel for other instructional videos and FlowZone content.